Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, cliché, is going to be explained in detail with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. A cliché is an overused saying or idea which has lost its original impact or power. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a cliché is nothing but it refers to an overused expression that has lost its original charm or power. In other words, you can say, any expression which is used so much that it stops its attractiveness, impact and charm. So, that expression is simply called a cliché. Just look at these expressions. You can't judge a book by its cover. Experience is the best teacher. Haste makes waste. Observe these expressions. Basically, these expressions are so overused that now they have lost their charm and taste. So, that is why they are called clichés. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.